In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the URL of a product in a store in Squarespace. If you want your product link to be cleaner, easier to share, or better aligned with your product name, Squarespace makes this pretty simple. We'll walk through the exact path to update the product URL slug inside your store settings. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. From the main menu, click on Website. This is where you'll manage the structure and content of your site, including your store pages and product listings. Once you're in the website section, click on Pages. The Pages area is where Squarespace organizes the navigation and the different sections of your website. Since your product lives inside your store, this is the place you need to go to access it. Next, find and click on Shop. This opens your store page where your products and store-related settings are managed. If you have multiple items in your store, make sure you're working in the correct shop area before making any changes. After that, click the settings icon for the product you want to update. This will open the product settings panel where you can edit details related to that specific item. Be careful to choose the right product, especially if several products have similar names. Inside the settings, look for the URL slug field. In that field, type your new URL. This slug is the part of the web address that comes after the main domain, so it should be short, descriptive, and easy to read. It's usually best to use words that match the product name and avoid unnecessary characters. Keeping it simple can make the link look more professional and easier for customers to remember. Once you've entered the new URL slug, click on Save to apply the change. That's all you need to do. After saving, it's a good idea to double check the updated product link to make sure it looks the way you want. Also, keep in mind that changing a product URL can affect any old links you may have shared in emails, social media posts, or other places, so you may want to update those as needed. And that's how to change the URL of a product in a store in Squarespace. If you follow these steps carefully, you can quickly update your product link and keep your store looking organized and professional.